kind of, it's a Honda Cat. Whoa, it's crazy. Ain't no way. Ain't heard a Camaro in a long time around here. Not new, but new to me. Something cool. Let's see what they got. Got a Cadillac right there. Nothing too crazy. Got a Raptor right here. You got this big old, this big dolly right here. Ooh. Got a platinum edition. Can't tell, is this black or blue? I think it's blue. That's nice. Got a regular Cadillac. I see a nice little black one over there. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a V or CT4V. But you know, I'm gonna check it out. That's that quad Python. That's crazy on this one. Nothing crazy out here for real, for real. Is this a Dodge Hornet? Oh, that's a Buick. I'm tripping. Thought somebody traded in a Dodge Hornet already. This is nice too. I'd be mad if this ain't no V. I walked all the way over here. It ain't. It's definitely not. Like a little 17-inch rims on there, but they clean though. Definitely not a V. Walked all the way over here for this. It's a CT4 though. I was right about that. Tell me why them Buicks look like them Dodge Hornets. I'm gonna look at this one right here, cause I ain't walking way back there. I'm gonna flash. If I say I'm gonna flash on the screen, if I feel like doing all that in the edit process, I'm gonna do it. But hold on, let me show y'all. It's more so the front end on these. Well, it's just like a Dodge Hornet. especially like the little pointed front end on it. All right, so perfect. Boom. I'm gonna put the picture right there of a Dodge Hornet. Had to say that so I can remember to do that in post. That just looks crazy. And this was just a Yukon. These quad tips on here is nice. Nah, that's a V right there though. Look at that thing poking out. That's a V for sure. Oh yeah. I think this is a 5, CT5. Whew. It's crazy. See? Might be the thumbnail, I don't know. We're gonna see what we come up with. Hold on, wait a minute. But nah, this is nice. Murdered out. It's got a roof in it. Looks like a panoramic roof too. Needs another splitter, I think, to add on some more aggressive look on it. But I think that's about everything over here. Ain't nothing else too crazy. They had some C8s out there before. And a bunch of nice little stingers. Oh yeah, look at my baby right there. Whew. Hold on, you're gonna put red lights on. Can't zoom in. Put the red lights on. My back camera, the zoom lens, the glass is gone on it, so can't do too much zooming in. I got a little Porsche. What is this? It's a Cayman? Nah, this might be a Macan. It's kind of small. Let's see. I know a little something. But they ain't got nothing crazy out here. They got a bunch of these SUVs. They ain't got no stingers, no nothing. No used nice cars or anything. About the best car on the lot. It's crazy. I mean, why you grab me a picture? I'm gonna grab the camera. Forged carbon going crazy. Keep the camera with me. I'll be back in a minute, y'all. All right, y'all, but that's the end of the video, really. I'm just out bored, just killing time. I had to go drop something off to a friend, but hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But hey, let me show y'all something real quick. I might do a little more POV after this, but look at this. I don't know who did this. I know I don't hit nothing when I drive my car, but look at this. It's a big old gash missing in my wheel. Like, it done went through the white, the red, the blue, the black. Hold on. Somebody got some explaining to do. But we're gonna talk about that when we on one of my off days coming up after tomorrow. But the car looking good. Hold on, let me snap that picture. But yeah, I mean, all this going in the clip. I'm not editing none of this out. Oh yeah, she look good, don't she? Oh, and I gotta go back and finish this. I gotta wrap that to match the front. For those who ain't seen it, I did the front the other day. Oh, that's crazy too. That's a nice little angle. She just looks so good, y'all. She's so photogenic. I can take pictures of her anywhere, everywhere. And it's they gonna come out how they supposed to come out. This is raw and uncut too. I literally just thought, let me get y'all a nice little, it's kind of cool out here. Get y'all a cold start. Not a cold start, but you know what I'm trying to say. It's cold outside, so it's kind of a cold start, but it ain't no fresh cold start from overnight. Alright, I'm finna go home. Depending on what traffic's looking like, I'm gonna do like a couple pulls or something. Or just make a little noise. So every time I do a pull, I tend to get caught by the po-po. They like to mess with me. Put my monkey scrap on. Put that thing in track. Y'all, well, I guess that's the end of the video. I really don't have no storage on the phone to continue this, so I'm finna just drive home, put this together, and see what I got. If y'all seeing this, that means I got enough footage. So I'm gonna try to see if I can finesse a pool or two, get y'all a little slight little cut-up since y'all like that stuff. But hey, if this is the end of the clip, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Alright, let's see if I can finesse this tunnel pool. Too crazy. No, we can't get in trouble. So we're gonna keep it on the speed limit. Y'all see it on the dash. Oh, we in the 70s. I don't call that speeding by any means at all. But I'm gonna try to save a little story. See if I can get a pull on another road. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm gonna get y'all a little noise. what? We're gonna get off. There's a little exit right here. And a slight little bridge. Alright, y'all, I'm done cutting up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like the video if you like it. And I will see y'all in the next one.